Hey, we are here at the Huntington Library / Botanical Gardens. We thought it was in Huntington Beach. It is not. It is in San Marino. We're coming here to take a photo or do photo shoot for social media / website / YouTube / probably OnlyFans / all of the things, because we don't really have that many current photos. So that's what we're doing here today. It's hot. We both have dress on. It's sweaty, but we're having a good time.
Back up. Hi guys, we are on our way right now to Dodger Stadium for LA Pride Night at Dodger Stadium.
Yes.
Yeah.
Although the festival is not happening this year, they're still doing some of the activities.
So this is our first Pride activity of June 2021.
Woo!
The Dodger game. In a few weeks we'll be going to Pride Night at Universal. We just got finished eating food. I'm full as hell.
I am not. Better do that shit.
No! You better not try to poop at the Dodger Stadium!
I'd rather poop the trunks, bro.
Oh, truly. But
So you saying we can't stop in for a shot, though, right?
do we even have time?
I mean, I don't need to be there exactly at 7:10. I don't know about you.
I guess we'll see how packed Trunks is. A few days ago, we went and did a photo shoot at the Huntington Library, and then we didn't vlog again that day. We went to go eat Korean barbecue and literally went home and went to sleep.
Yeah.
That's what we did that day. And yesterday we slept most of the day and did a few errands, and now we're here. Excuse me.
It's true, we're here.
Oh no, it's my nose piercings.
I mean, we're not there yet.
No, but we're on our way there. But it'll be a fun time. We'll see how it goes. We got shirts made. We didn't make them ourselves. So we will hopefully be taking pictures of them so that you guys can see them. Woo. But I would say that we're gonna vlog